Yo guys, so yeah, like I show you just now, this trade, this is just an example here. Okay, um RSI, okay, let's go back and add RSI. Okay, RSI. Okay, so RSI, what? RSI divergence. Okay, so we see divergence here, and then what we see is double top, first top, second top. Okay, after that I add indicator. Okay, Bollinger Band, same setting. Okay, add another indicator, moving average. Let's select this is let's add this first. After that we select high. Okay, so this screen, choose screen. So yeah, as you can see here, can you see here extreme here, and then we got this 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 did not become extreme, but it's okay. So yeah, so price drop, so we can take our profits. Actually, you can check profits. Okay, don't really want to be in this trade anymore. Let's take profits. So yeah, you see price move up so fast, yeah. So we have to do it quickly. You know what I mean? So okay. Price move up so fast. Yeah. We can't really close fast. You know what I mean? Because this is yeah, I was actually in 50,000 profits. You see. But it's okay. You know. Yeah. So extreme double top and then divergent is what you can trade. So yeah, so once price reach here, then we take our profits. Okay, so I think that is all that I want to show you. No exponential 50 pulls. Let's use exponential 50 pulls. Then color is purple. Okay, so yeah, so price reaching this purple area right now, probably want to retrace them. So yeah, yeah, it could drop further, but then it's okay, man. Like yeah, don't need to risk so much. Of course, this is just for demonstration purpose only. And yeah, this is how you trade BBMA. Can combine everything together to trade this method. Okay, so that's all I want to share, and then I'll see you in next video.